Hi everybody, Sandra here from CREATEINSPAIN, and today I want to create a stamp that is going to give me this effect. So if I were to create a stamp from this, I would end up with a negative, so all this area would be blank, but that's not what I want to do. I want to be able to stamp that image. Now as it happens, that was cut out on my scan and cut from an SVG which I had already created in Shortcuts a lot, but you can create it in whatever software you like. I have a piece of acetate on my desk here, and I've got a piece of high quality black vinyl. Now in this particular case I'm using the black vinyl simply as a test. I haven't cut black vinyl with my scan and cut yet. There we go. So when I place this on my mat, I can't do that. I'm going to have to do that. I want to choose a pattern, save data in here, and I've got my hello. So that's brilliant. Okay, got that. Aha, now I want to scan in the background. So scan in the background, and here we go. I think I need to rotate it so that the H is in that top left corner. Now I want to do a cut, and I don't have any pressure set on here. I'll probably put that on 1, I think. And now I'm going to see how it cuts. I'm suspecting I'm going to have to cut it again because I've got quite a tough vinyl, but I'm not sure, and I don't want to go through the acetate as well. So let's see what happens. Okay, now I can feel that it's cut. I can feel the cut lines in it. I just don't know if it's deep enough. So I'm going to check. No, it hasn't actually gone all the way through the vinyl. So I'm actually going to put that up to a 5. This blade, I mean, I don't know if it's normal with these blades, but this blade is barely sticking out of there, even on number 5. Number 1, you can't feel the blade at all. So I don't know quite what the deal is with there, but never mind. Go to cut. And let's cut it again. Okay, that has cut it perfectly, so I can now remove my lettering, because bearing in mind I am after the negative and I don't want this part in here, but I do want all the black around it. Yay! So that's cut very nicely. So I have a perfectly cut negative. I've taped my negative. I'm trying to move my lamp here. I have to put this on top. I've taped my negative to my piece of glass, simply to stop that from moving around. And what I'm going to do now is to cover it with a piece of cellophane. Make sure there's no wrinkles over your image. As luck would have it, I couldn't actually fit my frame on here if I put it the way that I had it before. I've had to put it across from side to side so that I can get my frame on. This is quite a large stamp. So I wouldn't be at all surprised if this doesn't actually end up oozing out. But I definitely don't want it to have any holes, because to waste this much gel would be absolutely awful. I think that should be right. Yeah, I've got enough gel in there because it's seeping over the edges. So I'm going to put this into my lamp for 40 seconds aside. And if I peel this off, you can actually see the stamp has come out really well. So I need to wash this off, then trim it down, and it'll be ready to use. Here's my stamp now that it's been well and truly cured, washed off, then cured again for 4 minutes to really set it. And I've just trimmed off the excess. And here is my first stamped image with it. A little bit blotchy, but that's probably because it's still damp. It hasn't actually dried out yet. But there you go. That's how to make a stamp using your Brother Scan and Cut.